Komba kipat ba kila pedang sobha yo ba adan bila basamaj nadu bopoi hapo nong ba Chennai nadu ka South Tarik mata ubnai mata ka sengiru hakabala pelong ya ka conference da ka seng Tamis Naduh People's Conference sai sisen pat kinong ilam jokan ka seng bat kipat ba kila pedang sobha sai sisen pat yo ba adan rengkat bat kipat kinong ilam ka seng Voice of the People Party haka conference kabala pelong hapo Chennai la aban kero hangni ba adan ula syakhat kongsan man ajeng kran haka conference jokan ka seng bat kimat kebiakan hakan dia ke Jinglaitluid dan di ke conference kilong man persyak ya ke jing sensyar donbor ke sensyar lebor ba ke sensyar bahaya kebadan hari India hakini kesni ke mata Naduh bala simti dan dia bala sensyar de ke seng BJP hadalhi kani ke conference katmur banyak kran ya ke jing Jinglaitluid jangkari India hak kran ke khana hak perkhat ke kepedan karkom im bat kikubi dia kat kom balabu akriti sensyar jangkari India Komjuru ke di conference ke kajakan halor ke jing sensyar donbor jang ke sarkar pedang lengba kilat ke badan hakijela bapa fair jang kari India Naduh nasurok kipai ba kila pedang sobha yo ba adan haduk mondorung ha kahol ha kabala pelong ya ka jelang ha kabala ndak spangot kidkhot ba kenengelam de keseng TPF kentup ru yo MP nacidam baram habakran hakan ka conference ba adan ulapan kenmau bakari India ka dikari sensyar Jinglaitluid haka bakari di sensyar jokari India ka Jinglaitluid ya baro kena song jokari India nakalong hakakan ke khana haka perkhat ka padai berkemjuru ya ke jai bendir rupa mulai dari wasan ajar khatsau kini baro la sama Syngit haka bagi pai ba kilamat jeng ia menpau ya ke Jinglaitluid ki jongki
Respected Chairman, who preside over this program, with due respect to Dr. Chiruma Ardent, Member of Parliament, who is also the President of BCK, and all the distinguished guests on the dais, and my fellow countrymen. At the outset, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the organizers of this conference for associating me with this conference. I would also like to congratulate the organizers for having the courage to organize this conference on these 5 topics. So I would like to bring greetings from the members and leaders of my party, the Voice of the People Party, and also from the people of my state, Meghalaya. I would like to begin my speech with a reminder that we live in a free country and that each one of us is free as human being. I would also like to mention that the actual beauty of India lies in its diverse nature and characteristic, and that the strength of India lies in the unity of its people. India is proudly known as the largest democracy in the world. However, the question here is whether different cultures, traditions, and practices are allowed to thrive freely in this country, and that the rights of the minority are respected. The reply is straightaway yes, till 2014, when the new dispensation came to power at the center. Efforts were made to throttle the freedom of the people, especially the rights of the minorities. We should not forget that the Constitution of India was adopted in the name of the people of India. It was reflected in the preamble of the Constitution of India, which says that we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular,